Hello explorers, Kita Explorer here, and today I am in my photography shooting phase. I know I haven't been out here in a while for you guys, so I decided to bring you on out because I am trying out a new product that I bought. So today I'm opening up this Neewer 32 by 32 inch light box that I will use for product photography. So in today's video, I'm going to open up this package, show you what's inside. Then we're going to do a demonstration. I'm going to show you what I have set up here for the demonstration, and I'm going to show you what I photographed as well as the final photos. And make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can see what the final photos look like. So let's get into today's video. Before we do, I'm Kita Explorer, and here on my channel I talk about all things travel, photography, and sustainability. So let's get into it. If you see me sweating, getting a little hot in here because it is summertime in Atlanta, so the heat is on in the garage, and I had to turn the fan off so you can hear me. Now let's get into it. But as I open this up, I'm gonna tell you my story. So this is July 2022, and it's currently Prime Day. And I bought this Prime Day last year, and I'm just now opening it. And what's crazy is I bought it, and ever since then I've been looking for a light box. Like, oh, I really want a light box, but it's not like urgent. And so then one day I was like laying in the bed, and I was looking through my past orders, looking for something to reorder or something like that. And I was like, wait, what? I don't remember getting this. But I was in the bed, so I was like, I'll check my photo studio tomorrow. And it was here. But I do give myself a little leeway or acceptance on forgetting that I had this package. Because when I took it out the box, so I didn't have an Amazon box just sitting here. And right after that, I was dealing with my dog and him having cancer for the remaining of 2021. So I kind of just put all this on the back burner. But anyway, so inside we have this white piece here. Let's see. Up. So this looks like it's possibly the actual tent itself. So we'll lay that there for a second. And it comes with different colors for a backdrop. So we have blue, red, black, and then of course the white there in the beginning. Okay, now this is, okay, that was white. That's the actual original color, and here is the actual tint. So here's the tint. If I can open the tint up. Oh, and it popped right open, you guys. Oh, this is huge. It's 32 by 32. Okay, so I wasn't expecting it to be this big. Okay, so here is the light box. And here's the different colors, like I said. So now I'm going to actually set up for a photo shoot. And I'm gonna change out the different colors as we go. So today for the photo shoot, I'm photographing, which this video has already came out, but I'm photographing a cover photo for the nail reserve video that I have, and I wanted to do a nice little photo with all of the nail polishes in it. So that's what I'm photographing today. Obviously, we don't need a huge box for this, but I will be using it for a lot of different things. I wish I would have remembered I had this because I did a lot of shoot photography already. This would have been perfect for it. So let me get this set up. So for the first setup, we're going to just use a simple white backdrop. So for each of the 4 colors, there is Velcro on the back and Velcro inside of the light box. So I'm going to attach this. There's Velcro at the bottom so it can stay secure. It has been folded up for a long time. So I'll just have to smooth that out. I do not feel like getting an iron. I want to get out of here as quickly as possible. It's hot today. So this part will go on as you can see, I have set up the product inside the nail polish. The photo, I'm probably going to change the design of how this is a few times just to see what looks the best. But as you can see, I've started out with the white color. As you saw earlier, I attached Velcro at the top and the bottom. Okay, so I moved the table around for better situation, better setup here. So as you can see inside, I have my nail polishes set up. So I'm going to secure it closed with the Velcro on all sides. And so now you see there is a hole here for the camera to go through. I'm going to get my lighting. I might have to switch the lighting around because I've never used the light box before. So I'm going to try the lighting on the side and the top to see which one's the best way. So first I will start with the side. The light's not too bad. That's not too bad. Okay, I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be dark because there's not much, it doesn't look like, when I peek through the hole, it doesn't look like there's much light there. But when I take the photo, it's definitely very well lit. And this is how you take a photo in here, because remember you saw the little slit here. So the camera will just go in with the lens. That's all you do. Awesome. So I want to drop in the photo from the white backdrop now. So next up, we're doing the black backdrop, and it's set up the same way. It has Velcro on the back, which will attach inside of the light box here. Okay, I've set up with a black backdrop. Now I'm going to close this shut again by attaching the Velcro. Oops. Okay. Grab my camera. Turn the camera on. One thing about this, make sure you have your product as centered as possible, because these sides were still white and I don't want white in my photo. So make sure it's centered so you don't have that in the photo. Okay, a little dark. I had to still look that light that I was using for myself. Next up, I am using the red backdrop, and I'm going to drop the photos in for this after I take a photo with this. So, red photo, I really like the red backdrop. Never thought about using a red backdrop for a product, but now I have one. Okay, let's switch this out. but fold it so it can get into the package. It needs to be ironed anyway. And the last color is this lovely blue color. I think this is gonna be nice. There's a plane flying ahead. Is inside the light box. You can see the Velcro attachments there. And there's some up top as well. Okay, I'm gonna go set this up and come back with the final photo. Oh my gosh, so I really liked the blue backdrop. It was gorgeous. Now I just want to say a few things about this light box. This is the first time I've ever used a light box. I've seen it on different videos and trainings that I've had for product photography, and I thought it would be wonderful because it helps balance your light more onto the product, and you have your one focal space with the right colors and lighting, less reflection or little reflection. You are able to control the lighting more with the box. I still need to play around with it more, but I've already liked it from my first impressions. And since it's 32 by 32, I should be able to do a lot of different products, not just nail polish, but obviously my shoes, books, and other things that I need to do with product photography. So make sure you follow me at Photography by Keto on Instagram, or just check out my portfolio, ketoexplorer.com/photography, to see when my work is updated. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, seeing this unboxing and watching me use this product for the first time, make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you leave any questions or comments you have down below in the comment box about this product. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And make sure you head on over to the ketoexplorer.room.tech to purchase you a print for my travels around the globe to decorate your home or office space. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.